Friends, let me tell you about MTConnect concept. This is the latest technology to get the machine data in real time. You have a CNC machine with MTConnect protocol installed. It requires an software called as adapter and agent. To make it more simplify, let me tell you, suppose this is the CNC machine having MTConnect protocol installed with the agent, and here we have a client or the monitoring PC with CIMCO software installed. In the next few minutes I will show you a demonstration of how the CNC data can be captured by CIMCO using MTConnect. Thank you. Hello, in this video we are going to show you how MTConnect can be used with CIMCO machine monitoring system. MTConnect is a protocol which works on different CNC machines to get the real-time data from the machine. It works as a agent and adapter. In this video, this is a small simulator software from CIMCO. This is going to simulate the CNC machine. You can start the machine mode as manual mode, auto mode, or MDI mode, or edit mode. In the CNC you can also say cycle start, cycle stop, M30, feed hold, and things like that. When there is a part on the machine, you can give part count as 1 and say part count. You can also simulate the load on the CNC or position. There is a facility to simulate the certain alarms like over temperature, pneumatic alarm, or maybe communication or hydraulic or something like that. Similarly, one of the important parameters is you can simulate the feed rate with this software. Feed rate, rapid, and spindle. So this is the software which is going to run on one laptop, which will act as a CNC, and on another laptop we will put the CNC monitoring software by CIMCO, and we'll see how to get parameters recorded with CIMCO machine monitoring software called as CIMCO MDC. And let me explain this setup. We have a CNC simulator on this laptop which is having MTConnect agent. So normally in real practice on a CNC machine there will be MTConnect software loaded. This is a simulation where I can change the mode. I can simulate certain alarms, and this CNC simulation is happening on this laptop, which is connected with the help of Wi-Fi zone to another laptop with MTConnect adapter loaded in CIMCO machine monitoring software. So this is going to monitor continuously the status of the machine. Now it says cycle stop and you are in manual mode. Now let me go to auto mode here. So once it is auto mode, immediately it reflects here as auto mode. So auto mode is active. Now we will start the cycle. The moment cycle start is active, you can get green band. Okay, let me show you another mode. Cycle stop, change the mode to MDI, or so here also it is reflected, the color is changed and it says MDI mode. Okay, now let's go back to auto mode and cycle start, and let us create some alarm. So now you are in auto mode, so green band, cycle stop, some alarm. So as soon as the alarm is generated on a CNC machine, the monitoring software also shows the alarm state. Now, just like these states, we can also monitor feed and spindle load. So let me go back to auto mode and cycle start. So cycle is running and I can change the feed. Now it is showing 95 and spindle load is showing as 31 to 79%. Let me reduce the feed. So this is the button, I am reducing the feed. Bring it down to around say 10%. Bring it down. Now as the feed is coming down, you can see here this also get changed. So feed is now 78. Similarly, so now the feed is 25. Okay, now let me show you something about spindle load. Now this is a button for spindle load. Let me increase the spindle load. Increase, 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 still increase, increase, increase. So now you can see the reflection here. As the spindle load increases, here also you can see it is 80% to 94%. Now these limits 80 to 94% is settable in the software. Now let me show you how the part count is reflected. And here I can see that number of OK parts are 2. Okay. Let me show you one more time the same part count. So I make it part count 3. And it is being reflected again in the display as OK part 3. So these are the main features, like you can monitor the states and spindle speed, spindle load, feed rate. Now since we have seen the MTConnect simulation, let me show you the tables and how to export into Excel. Now this was the last screen we have seen. I can go to reports, say generate table, machine utilization by hour. Today is 9, so I'll just create the table. So this is a table and information which we have gathered from the previous trial, and now you can export it into Excel. So here the information, how much time it was running, what is the average cycle time, minimum, maximum cycle time, and feed rate. When the feed is more than 100%, this also can be logged, and if it is more than 2 or more than 1, you can get in the red color. So these are the kind of reports which are available in this system. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Deepak Bodhni. Digitech Engineers is an authorized reseller of CIMCO products. Our services are available in India and in Middle East countries. digitechpune@gmail.com is our email. Our cell number is 94235 86171 and website is www.digitech-engineers.com.